Have you noticed this? One day you're washing your face, and you pull your skin back slightly like this, and you think, wait, where did my jawline go? That soft heaviness right here. That slight fold forming beside the mouth. That shadow that wasn't there 5 years ago. And suddenly your lower face just feels tired. Not dramatic. Not overnight. Just slowly different. And the worst part? You've been using creams. You've been moisturizing. You've been doing the routine. But the jowls are still there. When we're younger, those fat pads are higher and fuller. They sit in the mid-face and give that lifted look naturally. After 50, they slowly descend. Not dramatically, but gradually. The ligaments that once held them firmly begin to loosen. Collagen fibers become thinner and less organized. Imagine a mattress. When it's new, it's firm. Over time, the springs weaken. The fabric on top didn't fail. The support underneath did. That's what jowls are. Not bad skin. Loss of internal tension. And that's why aggressive surface tightening doesn't solve it. So today, I want to explain something that most people are never told. Droopy jowls are not just loose skin. And once you understand what's actually happening underneath, everything changes. So, if jowls form because the structure is thinning underneath, then support has to happen underneath. That's when I personally shifted my focus. Instead of only asking, what can I apply? I started asking, what is my skin missing internally? Collagen. Not trendy collagen. Not flashy marketing collagen. But the raw amino acids your skin uses to maintain thickness and support. This is where I started looking into high-quality peptide collagen. And one brand I've been using and also recommending to my clients is Taj hydrolyzed collagen peptides. What I appreciate about them is that they focus on bioavailable peptide collagen and contain type I and 3 grass-fed bovine collagen, formulated to support connective tissue structure, skin elasticity, and joint integrity. Meaning it's broken down in a way your body can actually absorb and use. Collagen isn't magic, but it is structural. And when you consistently give your body the building blocks it uses to maintain firmness, things can gradually improve. Not overnight, not dramatically, but noticeably. Now let me simplify this. When you consume hydrolyzed peptide collagen, it's already broken into smaller chains. Your body absorbs these amino acids and peptides into circulation. From there, your body decides where to use them. It doesn't magically go to your face. But if your body is in constant repair mode, which aging skin always is, it uses available amino acids for structural maintenance. Glycine plays a huge role in collagen formation. Proline supports skin elasticity. Hydroxyproline is a key structural stabilizer in dermal tissue. When collagen intake is consistent, your body has access to raw materials it may not be getting enough of from diet alone. That's the key word, consistent. Not one scoop, not 1 week, but long-term support. This is why, if someone chooses to use a collagen powder like Do Not Age Peptide Collagen, it needs to be part of a routine. Morning coffee, smoothie, daily habit, not emergency rescue. Here's the mistake I see constantly. Someone notices jowls. They panic. They try. Tightening masks, aggressive facial exercises, pulling and stretching the skin upward, constantly checking the mirror. But stress actually worsens collagen breakdown. Cortisol accelerates tissue thinning. So now you're stressed about sagging. And stress is accelerating sagging. That cycle needs to stop. Support works better than force. If I were designing a realistic routine for droopy jowls after 50, it would look like this. Morning, protein-rich breakfast, vitamin C source, collagen peptides if using, sunscreen always, midday, hydration, avoid excessive sugar spikes, evening, gentle lymphatic massage along jawline, upward light motions not pulling, moisturizer to support barrier, weekly, strength training, upper body especially, posture correction. Posture matters more than people think. Forward head posture exaggerates jowls. Lift your chin slightly and align your spine. The jawline immediately looks tighter. That's structural, not cosmetic. Let's remove fantasy expectations. Improvement looks like slight tightening along jaw contour, Less pooling or heaviness near the mouth corners. More definition when you turn your head. Makeup sitting better on lower face. Skin looking thicker, less fragile. It does not look like. Sudden lift. Disappearing folds. Dramatic reshaping. And honestly, subtle improvements look more natural. No one asks, what did you do? They just think you look rested. That's the goal. Let's clear something up. Random DIY tightening masks will not rebuild lost collagen. Over-pulling facial exercises can sometimes worsen sagging. Temporary tightening creams may create short-term smoothness, but not structural change. And expecting overnight transformation leads to disappointment. Structural aging requires structural support. There is no shortcut around that. Let's clear something up. Random DIY tightening masks will not rebuild lost collagen. Over-pulling facial exercises can sometimes worsen sagging. Temporary tightening creams may create short-term smoothness, but not structural change. And expecting overnight transformation leads to disappointment. Structural aging requires structural support. There is no shortcut around that. Droopy jowls are not failure. They are information. They are your body saying, I need support, not just surface treatment. And that's empowering. Because once you understand the mechanism, you stop wasting energy on things that don't address the real cause. If you've been focusing only on creams, it might be time to think deeper. Internal support, protein, collagen, consistency. If you're curious about the peptide collagen I mentioned from Do Not Age, I'll leave it below so you can look into it yourself. No pressure, just information. And if this helped you understand your face in a new way, comment jawline so I know to make more videos like this. Because once you understand what's happening underneath, aging becomes something you manage, not something that manages you. Remember to like and subscribe for more educating anti-aging videos.